Hello, I'm Nick. In this video I will show you how to use Claude Code to create design in Figma using Figma design system and turn that design into code. I will use the simple design system. It's a well-crafted open-source design system with a nice range of UI components and styles. In order to use this system, we need to publish it as a library. First, I will add it to the team project. Click on Move to, choose Team Project, and click Move. Now, when this design is a team project, we can publish it as a library to use it in Figma files. Click on the Assets tab, Manage Libraries. You should see your design system in this list. Click Publish, and publish all the assets from the system. This process takes a few minutes, and once done, we will be able to use our design system in Figma Project files. We can create an empty Figma file to link this design system. I will name the file My Design. Click on Manage Libraries, Teams tab, choose your design system from the list, and click Add to File. Now, in this file, you should have access to all design system components and styles from the simple design system. You can test it by dragging and dropping a specific component from the system, like button, and playing with all its attributes. Now it's time to create a new project in Claude Code. To do that, I will jump to the empty directory called My Landing Page and open it in a terminal window. Type Claude to launch Claude Code. It should show the project folder name in the header. And the first thing we need to do in Claude Code is to type the command plugin. We need to make sure we have the Figma MCP plugin installed and connected. Claude will use this plugin to access Figma files. The plugin provides a list of skills we can use to craft design, including Figma Generate Design, which I will use in a moment. Now let's jump back to Figma. We can copy a link to our Figma file with the design system. Click on Share, copy link, and paste the link to the Claude Code prompt window. And ask Claude Code to analyze the system. I explained to Claude Code what this link contains, what it will need to do with this link, and what output I expect to get from it. Once I submit this prompt, Claude will activate the Figma Use skill, one of the skills that comes with the Figma plugin. Because I can see the skill in the output that Claude Code generated for me, it means that Claude Code understood me, and now it's working on this task. During the analysis, Claude Code might display error messages. These messages are more like warnings, and you can safely ignore them, as Claude will figure out what to do with it automatically. Another important thing that you can spot is the message about the number of tokens that will be used. Design system analysis is a token-intense task that can bloat your context window with a lot of information. So before the analysis, we have 12% of context used. Let's see what we will get at the end. Once the analysis is completed, Claude Code will provide a summary of what it learned from the design system. And now we have the context window 16% full, meaning that the operation consumed 4% of our context window. Considering that a simple design system is relatively small DS, this means that the larger enterprise systems can eat up a large percentage of the context window. Once the analysis is completed, it's a moment when we can ask Claude Code to generate UI design for us. I will start by typing prompt. Call Figma Generate Design skill. This skill will be used for Claude Code to generate a design and send it to the Figma file. Next, I will explain what I want to build, a landing page for a SaaS service called Roxy, and paste a link to the Figma file where I want to see the generated output. In order to get the link, I will jump back to Figma, navigate to my project file, click Share, and copy link. Paste this link to Claude Code prompt window, and submit the prompt. You can see Claude is showing Figma MCP methods like get metadata and search design system. It's a good indicator that Claude will use design system when crafting UI design. If we jump to the Figma project file that just a moment ago was empty, we will see that the Claude populates this file in real time. And yes, you can spot visual defects, such as content overflow in the description section. But don't worry about it for now. Most of these defects will be fixed by Claude automatically at the end of the process of UI generation. Once UI generation is finished, Claude will provide a summary of what was done. And if we check Figma, we will see a complete landing page design. The nice thing is that this design uses design system components and styles. It means that we can select a certain UI element, like a button, and change its styling in real time. Or we can jump to our design system used for this design generation, navigate to the buttons page with all our buttons and states, and change the style of the primary call to action button. For example, change color from black to red. Next, we need to publish this change. Jump back to the My Design page with our landing page design generated by Claude, and apply updates ready for our design system. And we can see that our primary call to action button is red now. If we like what we see, we can ask Claude Code to code this design. To do that, I will click on the frame with my landing page design, choose Copy Link to Selection, jump to Claude Code Project, paste this link, and type the prompt code this page in HTML and CSS. Again, if you see Figma MCP methods were triggered, it means that Claude is doing the right thing. It will start coding the page. At the end of this process, it will provide a nice summary of all details it introduced. If we preview the actual page it coded for us, we will see that this design is very close to the design in Figma. Yet it has a few minor differences, such as the color of the call to action button at the top right corner is not red, it's black. So at the end of the day, we got a very close but not exact copy of our original design in Figma. But we can refine it with follow-up instructions to Claude Code. And that's all. Let me know what you think about the process of using Figma design system in Claude Code in the comments. Thank you!